All the students are requested to assemble in the school ground for Gandhi Jayanti celebrations.
Students, Gandhiji's teachings inspire us to lead a better life and create a better world.
Gandhiji always said that we should think before we act. Change begins with us, and we should become the change that we want to see. Whenever you face a difficult situation, think of Bapu's teachings. His words will guide you in the right direction. Children, your exams are near, so prepare well together with your friends. All the best.
Abhay decided to inform his friend Sahil about the exam, who met with an accident and was not coming to school from the last few days.
Sahil, how are you and how's your preparation for the exams?
I am better. Will join school in a few days, but my notes are incomplete.
Don't worry, take my notes and get well soon.
Thanks, Abhay.
Abhay, how are you? How are your studies going on?
Namaste, Auntie. I'm doing well. Today we celebrated Gandhi Jayanti in school and Headmistress Ma'am told us about Gandhiji's teachings.
Oh, really? What did ma'am share?
She told us,
Gandhiji always said that we should think before we act. Change begins with us, and we should become the change that we want to see.
Students, Gandhiji's teachings inspire us to lead a better life and create a better world.
That's wonderful. Gandhiji's teachings are valuable even in today's age. I wish young children follow his principles and teachings.
Thank God Abhay shared his notes with me. I don't think I can prepare for exams in such a short time. I will just use these chits for cheating in the exam.
Good morning, Sahil. Is everything okay?
Ma'am, I am sorry. I had planned to cheat in today's exam, but I was reminded of Gandhiji's teachings that a person should be honest no matter how harsh the truth is. So I will not do it now. Please give me some more time to prepare for the exam.
I appreciate your honesty, Sahil. I will give you a second and last chance. Please study and prepare well for the exam.
I spoke to Headmistress Ma'am today. You told me about Gandhiji's teachings which inspired me to speak the truth.
I am glad you were truthful. This park looks so crowded. Let's go and check. Hi, sir. What is going on here?
Contractors and laborers have come here to demolish the park. They plan to construct shops here.
Oh no, this is our favorite park.
Let's go quickly and inform Headmistress Ma'am.
I will discuss this matter with the district collector. Sir, we need your help. Kindly intervene and stop the construction of the shopping complex. The park is essential for our kids.
Ma'am, I understand your concern, but kids can play anywhere. Shops would help in generating more business in the district.
Sir, shops can be constructed somewhere else. Kids use the park for exercising, recreation, and playing games, and we should not compromise on their welfare and happiness.
It is great that the younger generation is aware about the importance of environment and community life. I will investigate the matter and allocate some other land for the shops. The park stays where it is.
Our values inform our thoughts, words, and actions and help us become responsible citizens. Along with knowledge and skills, it is crucial for learners to acquire values and attitudes that will help in creating a more peaceful, inclusive, and sustainable society. In an increasingly interconnected and interdependent world, there is a need for everyone to work together to be informed, engaged, and empathetic citizens in promoting social transformation.